We have a Samsung Twin Cooling Plus fridge that the fridge is not cooling. Ice keeps building up in the ice maker and also the vents in the back of the fridge.
When did you last replace your Samsung fridge's water filter? How old is the fridge?
Water filter is past due, needing replacement. Probably a year since the last time.
How long has this been going on with your Samsung ice maker? What have you tried so far?
It has been happening for about 2 months. We unplugged it about 3 weeks ago to defrost and it seemed to work pretty good, but noticed again this week that the fridge was not cooling again. We have now took everything out again and it is currently defrosting.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope.
Hi, my name is I will help you with your issue. First, can you send me pictures of the ice maker and the model/serial number of the refrigerator?
Customer attachment May 11, 2026, 11 and 13 seconds p.m. The ice maker is all defrosted now. Do you still want to see it?
No, that is fine. Was the ice maker completely frosted? Is the refrigerator completely defrosted now?
We defrosted and unplugged the fridge on Saturday and plugged it back in yesterday morning. The freezer is working fine again and produced ice rather quickly. The temp in the fridge is still at 48 degrees.
Okay, with that being said, then do you hear the fan working in the refrigerator section when you open the doors?
But we did hear a clunking sound last night. The fridge started out at 58 degrees, so it has cooled a little bit, but there doesn't seem to be any air coming out of the vents at the top of the fridge above where it says twin cooling.
Okay, then the problem you are having is a defrost issue. The clunking noise is probably the cooling fan hitting ice in behind the rear panel. You can remove the inside rear panel and check for ice hitting the cooling fan blades.
We have to remove the panel from the inside of the fridge, not the back of the fridge.
Correct, from the inside of the refrigerator.
How do we remove that? Is there a video or something?
Remove all the shelving, and the metal bar in the center of the back panel that the shelves mount onto has 2 screws that will need to be removed. There is also screws along the bottom where the bottom shelf is too that will need to be removed. After that, then just pull on the back cover and it will come off.
Okay, we will try that.
Let me know what else I can do to help you fix this. When you get this solved, we can discuss the problem and fix for the ice maker.
What might be the chronometer with the ice maker?
If the ice maker was frosted up and not letting the ice cubes from dropping into the bin, there is a service kit out to fix this problem. I have installed many of these kits and it have fixed the issue with the ice maker.
We took the back off as much as we could. We don't see a fan, just a bunch of coils. There was also a big chunk of ice back there and the coils are all starting to freeze up. Customer attachment May 11, 2020, 6 and 24 seconds p.m. Customer attachment May 11, 2020, 6 and 31 seconds p.m.
The fan is in the back cover that you just removed to see the coils.
Okay, got it.
Is there any ice in that area of the fan blade?
There was a big chunk.
Okay, after that ice is removed, then the fan should be able to push the cold air around.
It looks like this took care of it.
That good, glad to hear that.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.